What's up, guys? This is Kimmie from Q97.1 Radio. Today, I'm at a very special place. Now, you might have seen me play a medical assistant in the SJVC commercial, right? But today, I'm doing the real thing. Like, I'm actually at the Fresno campus with a very special person. She's a medical assistant student, Kayla Angeles. And so, Kayla, what are we gonna do today?
Today, I'm gonna take you inside and we're gonna work on some venipunctures.
Oh my God! See, I'm actually doing the real thing today. I'm so excited. Take me in there. I've never taken blood out in my life, so this is gonna be interesting.
So this is a tourniquet. This is what I'm gonna do to get the vein to kind of come up for me. We're gonna sanitize the area.
Sanitize. Okay.
And this is our needle and our tube. I'm gonna go ahead and take my cap off. There's a thing on the needle called a bevel.
So big!
Yeah. That's where the blood's gonna get inserted.
This is actually happening, you guys.
Ready?
Oh my God. Oh my God.
And there it is.
That's
it's
real
done,
blood.
You take this tourniquet off because you don't want to keep that on too long. And then you take the tube out.
That was fast.
Yep. Gauze on, needle out, and I'm just gonna go ahead and throw it into that container right there. Always recap.
Okay. Now it's my turn to do it. I've never done this in my life. Wish me luck.
We're gonna put her tourniquet on so that we can get that vein.
Okay. Making it look pretty. Do people usually get nervous when it's the first time?
Oh yeah,
drawing
my
blood?
whole class was nervous.
Okay.
Some of us
So I'm not the
ready.
only one.
No.
Whew, okay. Look.
Go ahead and pull that. Yep. Awesome. And then we're gonna screw it into this right here. And then go ahead and line it up behind. And then you see where her vein is at right there.
Right
You're gonna
here.
want to go to that one.
Here.
Yep. Put the tube in a little bit. And go ahead and insert.
Here.
Yep. And go straight in.
Oh my God. Oh my
That's
God.
okay. Now push the tube in without moving the needle.
Is it in?
Yep, it's in.
Yes.
Now you can take her tourniquet off. Oh, you got it. All right, now you can go ahead and take your tube out.
Okay. Oh,
And
I'm
place
sorry.
this gauze right on top of the needle, not too firmly, and then pull the needle out. And then recap that pink.
Oh my God, did I
And then
hurt
I'll
you?
hold that for you.
No, hold it for me, please.
And put it right here in our sharps container where all of our sharps and needles.
I'm sweating, you guys. This is crazy. How do you guys do this?
And now she just needs a Band-Aid.
I'm going to go home and tell my mom all about this.
Go ahead and move the gauze and put the Band-Aid on.
Dude.
I didn't even feel it.
You didn't?
I didn't
Oh,
feel it.
thank God.
You
So I'm
did
a
good.
pro.
Yes.
Does
you're
this
a
mean
pro.
I can draw blood now?
You can draw blood.
I'm so excited. Whew. Well, that was successful, I think. I mean, I saw a little blood out. She was a
It
pro.
happens.
I didn't see no blood coming out when she put the needle in there. But this is Kayla Angeles, and I'm Kimmie from Q97.1 Radio. You saw first glance of what I did here at the Medical Assistant Program, SJVC Fresno campus. So we will see you next time. Thank you.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.